Hi, in this video we'll look at how to brighten, darken and make other tweaks to images or pictures that you would like to improve. We do this with Irfanview. To open it, go to Start, scroll down to I, select Irfanview, and it's the red squiggly icon. Our image editor is open. Let's find some pictures. File, Open. This lets you look anywhere on your computer or any attached devices for pictures. I have a pictures folder here. Let's choose picture number 5 for this example. Select it, click open, and it's brought in to the image editor. Now let's make some tweaks. Image, scroll down to color corrections and click. Now in this dialog box, we see the original image, that's this one, and any changes we make will be on this side under new image. The most common changes to make are to adjust the brightness and the contrast. You can also adjust the saturation and this factor here, gamma, which I'll show in a moment. Let's do brightness. You can see when I click and slide the slider, the image on the right is going to very bright and now very dark. We can restore it by putting the slider back to the middle. You can also change the value back to 0. The contrast works the same way. More intense color, more of a grey washed out look. Let's put that back. Most pictures are improved by reducing the gamma factor just a fraction. The gamma factor begins at 1. If I lower it, the picture loses some of its whiteness and becomes a little more characterful. So I find that most photographs in particular are improved by lowering the gamma factor a little. You can also experiment with saturation. And you can adjust the red, green, and blue elements to the picture. I'm going to restore these to where they were, 0 in each box. So, a little less brightness, a little more contrast, and a little less gamma. Now you can see here the original image, and I hope you can see that the new image has the characteristics that we've just given it. Let's apply these changes to the original. I'm going to move the box so you can see this original when I apply them. This is the button, Apply to Original. Click that, and I hope you notice that the image is hopefully improved. Now let's click OK. And to keep this, we now need to save it. File, Save As. If we just call it by the same file name, the new image will overwrite the old one. If you would like to keep both, then you need to change the file name. Perhaps in this case I might say 5A. And save. Minimize Irfanview. Look in your pictures folder, and we now have 2 images here. The first one is the original, and I hope you can see that our adjusted one is more interesting. If we open it, we can see that the colors are better than the original. And that is how to use Irfanview to adjust the brightness, darkness, and other factors of your image.